Welcome to Stone Hands, to the Hands of Stone, the greatest exercise to improve your ability of public speaking is making a video of yourself each day for 100 days. You can measure your results before and after because you are documenting your whole journey in one go. And the great thing about it is you learn to articulate your thoughts and you learn and understand how to make conclusions, to generate ideas while doing it. When I was doing my own challenge, I was able to start a new business doing that, and I was able to become a more confident speaker, although I was already used to public speaking and I was quite confident in it. It helped to release some patterns of stuttering, and it gave me the ability of making pauses so I could gather my thoughts and be more fluent with the articulation. And there's one important thing to take away with you. Every time before making a presentation or a video with you, it's not just like I'm going to talk my everyday business. Oh, I'm doing this and this. No. You propose a question before going on live or going in front of camera. You take a topic, maybe how to find a business partner, and then you start your video and you start talking about it. So another thing that this exercise taught me, that I'm always taking notes when I'm getting a great idea of a video. For example, this saying, the greatest exercise to improve your ability of public speaking. Okay, I had this idea, I wrote it down and I began to think about it. Or all the previous topics that I have made a video about it. I have just had this idea, oh, let's make a video on this topic. Oh, let's make a video on this topic. So you get into a habit of writing down all the great ideas that you may encounter and you may get in your head, so you could materialize them with your words. And if you want to make the exercise even stronger, you can do it as a live video, or you can post it on your social media. You can post it on YouTube, you can post it on a Facebook group, you can post it on Twitter, on LinkedIn, whichever platform you feel most comfortable using. And also you can choose the language. I have made this challenge on YouTube in English, and I have made it on Facebook in Estonian, making a live video in my own native language. And I have made it also in Finnish, making Finnish is my second language, making a video in Finnish and posting each day. And the key is consistency, but when you fail 1 day or 2 days in a row, no problem. Then just to skip 2 days and you make a video another day. At the moment I'm saying, or I'm not telling anyone that I'm making a challenge, but I'm just posting each and every day on YouTube a video on the topics that are important to my heart and that are for me. Because I decided to hold consistency, and you decide the length of the video. As I'm posting every day on YouTube, I take around 10 minutes, 6 to 12 minutes. so the middle 10 minutes. But it can be longer. I have done weekly videos of 1 hour when I'm gathering my thoughts and gathering the topics that I have encountered during that time. So you choose how you are going to take on the challenge and become a great speaker. For that reason, I created a mentor group on Facebook. I'm not selling to you anything at the moment because I'm doing it in my own native language, where I can harvest more precious gifts of language than in English actually. In English, I'm just giving away for free all the knowledge because I see I have so much to improve, so much in English. And in my native language, also I see there's so much space for improvement. But I have a base of contacts. I can bring on great tutors and mentors and teachers to my group that they can teach their knowledge to the students. So every one of them will become a great speaker in their own. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button and see you next time, and check out 8 powerful exercises for your voice. So, bye.